Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 12 Pro Max. The first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you get the correct tools to lose the iPhone, okay? You have to lose the two screws at the back here. These two screws, you have to remove them first. Then from there you have to use the pencil and you very be careful to put it inside and you ace it from down like this. Okay, be careful. Make sure you open it right down like this slowly, don't force it. Okay, this screen is already cracked, it's not working. That's why I don't need to hit, I just open it. If the screen is good, I'm trying to fix the motherboard, I will hit the phone at least for 10 minutes. Open it right now. Always when it comes to these connectors, this SIM side, the connector is from this side, so you have to be careful when you open this side. You open it right now. After I open right now you need to remove all this cover. You remove this one and this one to disconnect the cable. Disconnect the screen cable and take out the face ID side. You have to be careful. After you remove the screw, you take out the pan. Be careful, slowly, don't force it. You remove this pan and disconnect the face ID, this one. Then you have to remove the face ID and transfer to the new LCD. Then you remove the face ID, the sensor. You be careful to take it out. Be careful when you remove this one, don't spoil it. Remove it slowly. You take out this one, then you replace it on the new screen. Make sure you replace all the screw back. And from there you have to fix the screen. You fix the sensor first. Okay. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you fix the screen. Then you need to test and see if it's okay. See, it's okay, it's good. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.